The challenges we face is we have to produce the high quality product in a very cost controlled manner and have the flexibility of adapting the changes to the customer requirement. I am Selvaraj, Director Finance and Group CFO of BPPL Holdings PLC. We are one of the largest manufacturer of brushware. The major business challenges which we are facing is to keep the dynamic growth going. 8 years ago, we have been looking for a ERP solution in order to do an effective management, and we assessed various companies and we found that IFS was bridging the gap of what we expect and what it can deliver. The features we were looking for is the flexibility in the package and agility in current terms. I am glad to say we invested in IFS system and we were able to recoup in 3 years the investment. We are using the finance, distribution, manufacturing and HR. When we selected the IFS, they supported us in terms of staff training, and they have been very professional in their way of working, and they were able to help us to implement the entire system within a course of 6 months. I would say that we have been very much happy that our revenue has been grown, as one reason would be the part of IFS solution. As we are internationally competing, when there are changes by the customer orders, so we are able to track that changes and we are able to respond to that changes very much faster on an agile and flexible manner through the IFS system.
IFS gives us more accurate and timely data, and we can extract information very fast, and it gives more time for me to concentrate on my other tasks.
It is a very user-friendly system, so our entire workers are willing to use the system at ease.
It made a lot of improvements to my day-to-day life, because giving facility to my subordinates, they do prepare their reports. Since 2008, productivity has improved from 65% to 85%.
I think the day-to-day operation, sitting at office, still with IFS, I can easily access any data, any information at a very quick time. The future is bright and we are looking to achieve such targets with the support of IFS.